What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So messed up box aside, we finally have the Skylight Calendar 2 in-house. This is their latest model. It is customizable around the frame, comes in 2 sizes, and is definitely something great to keep your life more organized, to hopefully, if you have a family or kids, some chores and responsibilities outlined, meant to be more of a digital slate, obviously, so they are more inclined to use it. There is an optional monthly subscription for this. I do just want to throw that out there. This video is not sponsored. I bought this with my own money, and I definitely think it is a good productivity tool if you're looking for something to keep track of your daily routine and children's tasks. So having said that, as you can see here, this is the 15-inch HD. It is 1920 by 1080, smart calendar and snap frame. You can see it syncs with all of your needed apps. This is the classic white. There's about 4 or 5 different color options that there is. Pretty simple packaging, not much to it, but it does give you that same breakdown on the back with an easy setup, chores and routines, swappable frames, custom links, color coding for each family member, and free upgrades as they're available. Again, like I said, it is a 15.7-inch diagonal display, 1920 by 1080, 16 gigabytes of storage, and it comes with the classic white snap frame, power cable and adapter, wall mount, screwdriver, screws, and wall anchor, as well as, if you don't want to mount this, to use the adjustable support stand as well. So let's go ahead and unbox this and take a quick look. It does simply just slide out of that housing, just like this. We'll throw that down. Let's go ahead and get our trusty box opener out, open it up, and see what we have. So, Skylight Calendar 2, goodbye stress, goodbye stress, goodbye stress, hello organization. And you can see it right when you open the packaging, your new Skylight Calendar here. It does look very nice. I was kind of curious to see how small it was going to be as opposed to the 27-inch, the larger one, but I think this will be good for a lot of smaller spaces or less sizable walls. You can see the back right here. You have your little USB Type-C port down there, as well as what looks like the power cable also. So let's go ahead and slide this off. You can see your power button right there. Volume and speakers are on the side, I should say. We have our little leave us a review, QR code, Skylight Plus, talking about that paid subscription if you want photo and video screensavers, which I think should be a standard feature. I think that's kind of a cop-out. But meal planning, if you're in the mood for that, to schedule, and Magic Import if you want to import dates from your calendar in just one simple step. You just forward the email, PDF, photo, spreadsheet, or screenshot containing dates to your calendar's email, and the Magic Import will convert it to events for you. We'll plug that to the side. Here is our quick start guide, letting you know what is in the box again, all the features at a glance, marking it for mounting, and then obviously all your setups. We'll set that to the side. Below it, we should find our cables as needed, leveler, and mount, and sure enough, that is exactly what we have. Here's our proprietary barrel connector for power. Your leveler, like I said, to make sure everything is nice and even on the wall. And one good thing about mounting these, you can do it horizontally or vertically, depending on where you're going to put it. You have your little screwdriver here, nice little addition. And then your actual stand, if you so choose to use it. And then obviously you're going to have your anchors and screws and one other accessory here. And that's going to be it. So let me get this plugged in really quick for you guys. Okay, so as you can see, I have the Skylight app downloading on my iPhone. And now it's time to peel this off of the frame. And it's powering on behind it. And we'll finally get a chance to look at it. And there we go. So you can see exactly how it looks. It is not too thick really. I think it's going to look great wall mounted. And again, you can see that it has an accelerometer, so it can be adjustable depending on how you want to mount it, like we talked about earlier. So let's go ahead and say, we'll connect to this network here. Let me get this all signed in really quick. And you can see it already checked, connected, and is downloading and installing updates. Let's get this all configured right now. All right, so as you can see, this is going to be the home screen for your Skylight calendar. And before we go any further, I just want to let you know, if you want to save $40 on this, I'll throw that link, the referral code, down below for you guys to use and save 40 bucks. It helps us out at the channel as well, so I greatly appreciate that. Thank you very much. Now, having said that, as you can see, once you sync your calendar, you can see exactly what you have at a quick glance. You can scroll through, see everything right here as far as a quick view of what's going on. If you have any tasks, you can see that. Your lists for grocery items or to-do lists. You can add a new task or event or a dinner plan right here as well. And then if you just purely want to see that calendar view, you can do that right here as well. It gives you kind of a 4-day snapshot hourly by default, but you can change that to view that differently. You can add a countdown, and then you can obviously go into your lists as well. So if you want to add a list, edit list, and all that, you can do so right there for grocery, or the same for to-do. So if you want to edit list, add an item, add selection, clear completed, it is all right here. Your tasks as well for anybody or myself or whoever you add to the calendar in the app. You have your rewards if you pay for that premium subscription. It is right here as well. And you will need that subscription as well again for meals. And if you want to do a meal plan, that is going to be done with their paid subscription also. Same goes for recipes. It's all behind a paywall. And then unfortunately, like I said at the beginning of this video, so is photos. Using it as a photo frame, unfortunately, you will need the membership for that also. You can select when you want this to go to sleep, if you want a routine for it, or just to enter it right now. If you say enter now, it will obviously go into standby, just like that, until you re-wake the device whenever you want. And then obviously you do have all of your settings here as well. You have a couple of settings for text size, cozy, density, depending on how you want to see it. If you want it spread out or more compact, I actually like it snug. And you can see the difference that made there. You can see a whole lot more on your screen at the same time. You can turn on automatic brightness if you want as well, parental lock, the volume, keyboard clicks if you want it, and all that. And then you can go into your calendar settings as well, your photo settings, reminders, and add-ons. So this is a Disney mode that comes with it. Again, it is a plus subscription, but you can use that as well if you so choose. So I'm actually going to go ahead and go back into here, go back into Cozy so you guys can see it a little better for this video. But everything does just look really good. I will say the off-axis dimming is pretty substantial, as you probably can see. So you're most likely going to want to look on this head on though. So just a quick call out for that. Again, you can customize everything you see to make it yours. And I think that's one of the best selling points of this calendar. I'm a big fan. I'm going to go through the test, put it through the paces, and go from there and see if it's really worth it in an upcoming video. Make sure to thumbs up this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below what you want to see if you have any other questions in regards to the Skylight Calendar 2. But that's it for this one, guys. Thanks for watching. We will catch you in the next one. Peace.